children. Good morning. How are you all? I know you all are enjoying your holidays very much. So are you doing something creative? I know you are very interested in drawing. So you must be drawing, huh? So what things you have drawn? You will show me after your school will get to you. Okay? So children, but playing makes a person bored. So you should study also something, huh? So we have arranged some classes for you. Just go through them and do the practice exercises which are given in your practice worksheets. Okay? So children, we will start with the poem 1 of your Marigold books. Okay? Yes. So children, uh, what is so exciting when you come to school, when you are coming to school for the first time? What is so exciting about it?
And the class.
Yeah, very good.
Which class we are going to?
Very good. That's the good answer. Anything else?
New friends.
New friends. Very good. Anything
Teachers.
else?
Teachers.
Teachers. Very good. Yes. And anything else? You would like to tell me?
New books.
Well, this was the answer I was expecting, because when I was small, I was so excited that because I used to go to the bookshop and buy the books, cover them well, put a name stick on that too with cartoons and all. Means there are so many printed that name slips. You all are excited, aren't you?
Yes.
You are excited, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I was also excited. It's not about only studies. What was there? Because when we go to the school for the first time, we always make some new friends. We just get the PT periods. We go to the assembly, sing the prayer, and that's the exciting part. Because at home we are only playing with some children, 2, 3, 4. We are friends. But here we get so many friends. You get the PT periods also. So you like it?
Yes.
All of you? Very good. So we will go to the play. We will go outside to play also, huh? But let us study something, huh? So you all will recite the poem with me, huh? And very happily, you all will do the actions also. Will you? Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I wonder if my drawing
I wonder if my drawing
will be as good as theirs.
will be as good as theirs.
I wonder if they like me,
I wonder if they like me,
or just be full of stare.
or just be full of stare.
I wonder if my drawing
I wonder if my drawing
will be as good as theirs.
will be as good as theirs.
I wonder if they like me,
I wonder if they like me,
or just be full of stare.
or just be full of stare.
Stare.
So I think you have learned some new words here. What have you?
Stare, ma'am.
Stare. Yes, very good question. Stare. When we look at something when we look at something very attentively, because we are actually surprised to see, or we have seen that person for the first time. As you go to the school class for the first time, so what happens? The faces are new. You get the new. So they are also actually, they wanted to see you and just staring at you. Who is this? Who is he? Now he will be my new friend. You know? So the poem tells about the feeling of a child. Afternoon feeling. The feeling that you have got in your mind when you enter the class for the first time. Like, I wonder. Here wonder means the child is in a doubt situation. Confusion. Sometimes we are confused which thing to buy. Will it happen or will it not? Okay. So the children there will like me. Will be, if my drawing will be as good as theirs. You will look. I know you all like to draw. So here one drawing I can show you. This is the drawing made by the child. Now he is just actually he want to show it to others also. Huh? He wanted to show it to his friends that his drawing is really very good, or the other's drawing is very good. Huh? So he is very doubtful. Huh? But at the same time he is happy that he will show his drawing to the children, and then he will compare it also. You all are also comparing your drawing, no?
Yes.
And you always want your drawing to be best? You know? Yes? Very good. So children, everybody's drawing is very good. It's not needed to compare anything, because you may be good at something and that person may be, the other child may be good at something else. No? So we should appreciate the drawing of others also. We should also say that your drawing is very good, excellent. Right? Then he will also appreciate your drawing. He will also say that your drawing is, friend, your drawing is also very nice. So this is the way you should behave in the class, and this will make good friendship. Okay? Then he will also appreciate your friendship, your company. He will eat with you. He will share his lunch with you, good things with you. So you will do it. Promise?
Yes,
ma'am.
Very good. I like it. Huh? So shall we continue now? I wonder if they like me,
I wonder if you like me,
or just be full of stare.
or just be full of
Yes.
stare.
As we have just discussed that when we are sharing the things, we are appreciating others, then others also become our good friends. So they start liking you. But this child was in a confusion that they'll like me or not. They'll make me their friend or not. And or they will be just full of stare. Stare means they will look at you like who is
Continuously
in.
looking, na?
Yes,
Continue
continuously
looking at
looking at.
something.
Yes, very good. Ajay, you are very nice. You have just catch the things. So others also just look at it. Huh? So can we move on to the third stanza? Yes.
Yes.
I wonder if my teacher
I wonder if my teacher
will look like mom or gran.
like
Will look like mom or gran.
like mom and brain.
I wonder if my puppy
I wonder
if my puppy
will wonder where I am.
will
wonder where I am.
So here he is wondering, because when he has made the friends, he has shown his drawing, he is sharing his lunch. Now he has one more doubt. The teacher who is going to teach, the teacher who is going to come in the class, she must be very lovely. Or she will like her mom or gran, because whom do you love the most at your home?
My mom.
Very good. I know. Why do you like your mom the most?
Because she loves me.
Anything else?
She always cheer me.
Very good. Anything else?
She give tasty food.
Very good. This is the point, main point. She is giving you delicious food. She is making Maggi for you. She is making nutritious food, ice creams and cakes. Nowadays also you must be seeing, no, the shops are closed. So everything you must be getting at home. You are getting, no?
Yes,
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Burgers and macaronis and whatever you like, huh? So your mother is making something. So mom is the only the person that a child likes the most. So he tries to see his face in his teacher also. So he wants to compare him. If the teacher will be as lovely, pretty, or loving, caring like my mom, or my grandmother. Okay, grandmother is also very actually very dear ones to the children, because she tells
She
them
always tells stories.
stories.
Fairy
That's the
tales.
best part. Very good.
Fairy tales.
So she likes to tell you the stories, and you like the stories most. Okay, even I like it nowadays, huh?
My grandmother also saved me from my dad whenever
Yeah. So she's so pretty, no? She's
Yeah.
lovely. So that child is also expecting that his teacher should be like his mom or gran. And next one, that is, I wonder if my puppy
I wonder if my puppy
will wonder where I am.
will wonder where I am.
So puppy, do you have a pet at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Which puppy?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? You like puppy?
Yes, ma'am.
So I also like it.
My puppy name is Pluto.
Pluto. Yes. You all must have named him, na? Koi sa bhi anything you like, huh?
Yes.
So what name you have given, Yasmin?
Cutie.
Cutie. Very good. And
His puppy name is Tommy.
very good. Do you play with him?
Yes.
Huh? And what else he does with you?
She
Does
also
he?
played with me.
Plays with me. So you like it, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Very much. So this puppy also likes you. Hmm? But when you go to school, he becomes alone,
Yes, ma'am.
doesn't he? Huh? he becomes alone, he could not find you. So what he must be doing? He must be running in the house
here and there.
and searching you. So this child is also wondering, maybe where my puppy must be thinking where I am. So for so long time he has not seen you, so he must be missing you. Vice versa, I can say this child is also missing his puppy, because that is why it came to his mind. Huh? So he is missing his mom and grand and his puppy and the friendly environment that he gets at, comfortable, cozy environment that he gets at home. So, but this should be there, that you should also feel the same thing in your class. So for that, you all have to be friends. Make friends and good behave in the class, so that you can be comfortable in the class. That's it, children. Recite it many times, because as many times you will read it, you will get and you will pronounce these words very nicely. So practice it 5 times and do the exercises which I have given in the practice worksheets, like stare, wonder, drawing, granny and puppy. And you can make sentences also. Simple sentences. I have given some examples there also. So just look at them and daily practice 2 pages handwriting. Neat and clear handwriting. That is the most important thing you must do at home. And after reopening, I'll see it whether you have done it days wise or not. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.